by America is my mama.
I don't know nothing else. I wasn't eating chitlins when I was in Africa. Huh? I wasn't eating watermelon when I was in Africa. Huh? I wasn't wearing zoot suits when I was in Africa. I wasn't getting my hair cut when I was in Africa. This bitch is my mama. And yours too. Except I know it's mine.
Back out here reaping the blessings and getting the benefits that go along with everything that's out here for kings like us. The reason why we like this jewelry and this diamonds and stuff and they don't understand is because we really from Africa, and that's where all this stuff come from, and we originate from kings, you know what I'm saying? So don't look down on the youngsters because they want to have shiny things. It's in our genes, you know what I'm saying? We just don't all know our history. So
fix your problem go to Zimbabwe. You don't want to anymore.
So start making arrangements.
Where's Dr. Umar? Where's the Pan-African? Okay, so now this has been going on for a while. I'll say it 1,000 times. South Africa is unworthy of Julius Malema. They're 100% unworthy. They let that man go to jail, and then these niggas over there is doing this. So I say I don't want to hear nothing slick about black Americans and talking about xenophobia. I don't want to hear none of that. They literally over there running everybody. See, we don't do that over here. Over here, you know, for the last couple of years, folks been on the internet talking, running their mouth about foundationals, talking about, well, you know, y'all are xenophobic and come together. No, y'all get yourselves together over there, then come back over here and chastise us, because we don't do that over here. We don't tell pregnant women, you can't come here and you can't come there.
Let me say this. Now, today, when you get home, start making arrangements for where are you going to get that baby from? Where are you going to deliver that baby? Because here you are not coming. Pretoria West, you are not coming.
This is a woman telling her this. These Negroes, that's what I'm saying. We should have left apartheid as it was. I know Rosa Parks and Dr. King, Coretta Scott King is turning in their damn graves right now. All the damn work we did over here for you ungrateful Negroes to do something like this.
We don't want to anymore. Start making arrangements where you are going to deliver the child, because here we don't want to.
She said we don't want it.
Yeah, you can go into Ramaphosa's house. He will help you deliver the child.
No, leader, even Julius Malema.
Yeah, even Julius Malema.
Then they mentioned something about Julius Malema. I don't think Julius Malema was talking about that, man. Let's go to the next section before this bus comes. All right. All right, here we go. Okay, now this is another.
Please don't try and stand up right now. Stand up. Sister, are you South African?
Are you South African? He's checking paperwork.
Check everybody. Check them. Please, if you're not South African, come with me. Come with me.
You're sick. The sick and the hungry's not welcome. Okay, let's go to the next one. These are kids they messing with now.
What's wrong?